How are you? How's it going?
Good to see you. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm doing wonderful.
All right, let's talk. First of all, coming back here on a Thursday, did you get nervous coming into CBS?
Yeah, well, Thursdays are always a nerve-wracking time on Idol. So, the feelings were coming back to me as I was walking on stage, and I had to tell myself, Scotty, no worries. You're not being judged. Don't have to, have fear of elimination. So I just went up there and had a good time with it for sure.
Now let's talk about the new single, "See You Tonight." What can you tell us about the song?
Yeah, well, See You Tonight is one that I'm really excited about because I had the chance to write it and with a couple guys in Nashville, Ashley Gorley and Zach Crowell. And, that's something I didn't get the chance to do on my first record that I'm really, pumped about for this next one. And I think people are kind of seeing a different sound, seeing more of a reflection of who I am as an artist through these songs. And I'm really excited for the fans and for me for that.
You auditioned in 2010. You're a season 10 winner. You got 10 Billboard #1 singles. How does that feel to?
No, it's pretty wild. I could have never expected things to go like they are, especially that first audition. That was kind of one of those things where it was a family vacation and turned into a life-changing experience. So it's been pretty crazy to kind of sit back and see what's happened, and we're looking forward to working hard and trying to continue this.
Now, this past weekend, I was in Vegas for the CMAs, and I came out of rehearsal, and girls were asking, Scotty back there, what does it feel like to know you won the Best New Artist and you come back and the success?
Oh, it's been pretty wild. To win that award was definitely a huge blessing, and very it meant a lot to me as an artist because that's one of those things where you come off of Idol and you have that huge platform, but you want to get ingrained into the genre you go to. So that was kind of like me being I looked at it as being accepted in the country family. So it meant a lot to me, to get that award.
Talk about Clear as Day, your album gone platinum. What can you tell us about that album and your success?
Yeah, well, that was my first record, and we went in there and not really knowing what to expect. Just went in there trying to make the best record we could in the time we had allotted because coming off the show, there's a deadline and you have to have it ready by a certain time. So we did the best we could with it. To go platinum was pretty that was pretty extraordinary for us. But we're working on the new one right now and trying to beat that. So we're looking forward to it.
Last time I spoke, you just came up with a tour with Brad Paisley. What was that whole tour like playing the Hollywood Bowl in such a big theater?
Oh, it was incredible. To be able to play venues like the Hollywood Bowl and to tour the country with Brad was definitely an experience I'll never forget. It was my first country tour. So to have that as a learning experience for me and to get the chance to see somebody like Brad who's been doing it for a while and knows what he's doing. It was good for me as an artist, to be so young and to learn from somebody that's as experienced as he is. So I took a lot from it.
Your first headlining tour, what can you tell us about the tour and when you play in L.A.?
Yeah, well, Weekend Road Trip Tour out there right now. I'm not exactly sure on the date for L.A., but I'm sure we're coming around here soon, and at least California. So, things are going great. The fans have been coming out and supporting us, so we've been really appreciative of them. And, it's cool that I get to kind of take what I learned from Brad and put it in my own headlining tour, so we're excited.
I want to ask you two things. One, ask what advice do you give the contestants now that they're in the top 5, and what can you tell us about college? You're still going to school?
Yeah, well, my advice to the contestants would be, just to stick true to who they are. They're top 5 now, so they're doing something right. So, don't change it up too much, but still kind of give us a little shot of something that would excite the people that are watching. And, college is going good. I'm a student at North Carolina State, and, go to school Monday through Wednesday, and Thursday through Sunday we hit the road running. So it's going good, and grades are pretty good, I think, as far as I know, so we'll see.
Still taking the red eye out, doing your flights, come back?
Of course. The red eyes are my friends, so it works out that way.
And lastly, third album. What can you tell us about the album?
Yeah, well, it's going to be coming out like late September, early October. And, like I said, I'm writing on this album. I'm getting a chance to put my own stamp on some songs. We've got about 12 songs cut so far. We're going to cut about 4 or 5 more and I kind of have a good picking to choose from. So we're excited about it.
Can't wait to hear it. Always good to see you.
Good to
Take
see
care
you
of
too.
yourself.
Have a good one.
Let's get a quick picture. Chris,
Yeah.
take a quick picture.